iFood is getting here. Come, let's season this cow foot together. The cow foot was washed with lime, vinegar, and some salt water just to make it nice and clean. Now we're going to blend some green seasoning. I'm using onion, thyme leaf, garlic, and ginger. I'm also adding some scallion and scotch bonnet pepper. Guys, the seed included for that extra spice, along with a splash of lime juice. Then we'll go in with some pimento seeds, some olive oil, and vinegar. Cover and blend nicely. Guys, you can blend it smooth or chunky. It just depends on how you guys like it. Next, we're gonna add not 1 but 2 spoonfuls of green seasoning, along with some Maggi all-purpose seasoning, garlic powder, adobo all-purpose seasoning, my favorite seasoning, guys, some turmeric, and I'm using Better Pack curry for that beautiful flavor and color. Guys, now you want to go in with the andem and massage the season into the meat, guys. You're gonna rub it well and make sure every piece is nicely coated. So go ahead and push that season deep in that cow foot. And guys, once it is coated, you're gonna grab a cover, a pot cover, or I don't know if you're using a basin with cover. You cover that. I'm using a cling wrap and I'm gonna refrigerate it until the next day. Thanks for watching. See you in another video.